You're on.
Kaya saan siya mas, lower a bit. Yes, that's right. Relax your right hand. Relax your right hand. Right.
Right, relax.
Right elbow. Right elbow, relax. Straight mo yung, ganyan siya, oh. Para kang handicap at first.
Like that.
Yes, like that. It may look a bit funny, but
Parang bakit ka nag-twist na gano'n? Like that. Diba? Nag-twisting siya. What's the twisting?
I'm not sure. I don't see.
I think it's more the hip thing twist, is it? Or what?
Okay, come on. Hit it. Look at the ball. Look at the ball and just.
Okay lang, Karina. We can just, we can cut it off yung video. Yes! Okay, that's good.
It.
So,
Perfect.
Okay, next one.
last.
Last. Hindi, ikaw.
Gusto mo ko nakita?
Hindi, okay lang.
Huh? Why?
Next time na kung
Sige,
if we can
next
hit
time.
as good as you.
Look at the ball.
Shockers. Why is it? I can't hit.
Straight at the ball first. Yes.
Ano ba tinitingnan mo? Yung bola lang?
Yung bola ang titingnan mo. Don't look at anything else. Yes! See, when you look at the ball, you're supposed to hit actually the ball. Kasi naglo-look out ka muna before you hit, kaya you miss the ball. Great.
Okay.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi, ikaw. Sige, okay lang.
Ayaw mo na ba?
Hindi, okay lang.
Ano to? Per bola yung bayan.
No. This one has 1,000 balls.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pwede ganyan lang.
Yeah, if you're comfortable with that.
Basta to,
Yeah.
naka-bend.
Then, yeah, okay. Yes, perfect. Yes!
Nice.